as I can get with the country songs. Hey, I want to thank this great band for helping back me up here. She said, I'll take the dog, you keep the cat. She left the satellite dish, I'm glad she didn't want that. She took the Camaro and the color TV. Then she looked at my fat boat, I said, that stays with me. I came home from work, things look the same, except for the mailbox where she scraped off her name. I opened the front door, now I believe my eyes. That girl had drove off with half my double wide. The judge said, work it out, I'll leave it up to you. So I took half of everything, and she did too. The girls at the back laughed until they cried. When I made a full payment, I left my double wide. Watching Twister, ripping through the past. I should have been watching that little woman of mine. My friend saw her leaving, he don't know where she went. She was driving a Camaro, pulling her 50%. The judge said, work it out, I'll leave it up to you. So I took half of everything, and she did too. The girl at the back